Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here to share another amazing salad recipe. This is part of the Summer of Salads collaboration I am co-hosting with Milk and Honey Heritage Farms. And don't forget to check out the playlist for this collaboration for more great salad recipes. Also down in the description box, I'll have the recipe for this salad. And this is spinach salad with strawberries and macadamia nuts, almond slivers. There's some cucumbers in here, and I'm sharing another awesome vinaigrette salad dressing recipe. So now let's go ahead and get started with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And to this, we're going to add in a tablespoon of honey. We're going to mix these up. And now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Now in place of grapeseed oil, if you don't have that, you can use an olive oil. And then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Now, if you don't have white wine vinegar, you could also substitute with an apple cider vinegar or a regular white vinegar for this. And then you're just going to want to stir this up, and then we're going to add some salt and pepper, which you'll see me do in a minute. I'm also going to add in about 1/4 teaspoon salt. And we're also going to put a little bit of pepper in here. Basically, you just do this to your own preference till it tastes good to you. All right, now let's go ahead and get started with the veggies. So right here, I've got about 3 cups of chopped spinach. And to this, I'm going to add in about close to 2 cups of chopped strawberries. And I'm also going to add to this is 1 cucumber, and it was a little bitty old cucumber, so I added in some zucchini as well. Zucchini is always great in a salad. And then I'm also going to add to this, it called for 3/4 cup of macadamia nuts, but I didn't have 3/4 cup, so I'm also adding in some blanched almonds. If you don't have macadamia nuts, almonds are a good trade-off for that. Now, as I stir this, before I start stirring, I'm going to go ahead and pour that beautiful sweet mustard dressing over the top of all of this. And now we're going to go ahead and get this stirred up. You want to get it all coated really well. This can be put in the fridge, saved for later, like I'm doing, because spinach is kind of a hearty, I don't know. I wouldn't do that with regular lettuce to like set it aside for later necessarily. It depends on the lettuce, but with spinach, absolutely. So we've got this all mixed up, and I'll get this on a plate and show you all what it looks like, but here you've got it so far. And there it is. This salad is so good, so refreshing. Such a nice summer salad, and the macadamias and the almonds really add something to this salad. Hope y'all will try it. Thank you all for watching, and remember everybody, until next time, keep your joy. perfectly paired with garlic noodles and shrimp.